Hello and welcome to Excel for Teachers. This is a tour of the seating arrangements program. Takes the hassle out of sorting out who sits with who. First of all, you need to add in the class names. So on this dashboard sheet, we've got a link to the class names. Click on that link and then you have to enter all the children's names. And then if you've got a code for them, say if you want, make sure you don't have too many SENs sitting next to too many SENs or too many behaviours sitting next to too many behaviour children, and you type in the code you want here. Then you go to the class seats area. So this has got 4 rows and the class tables table numbers are underneath. So Jaden, Kyra, Aliyah, Lexi and May are all on table 1. Table 2, 3, 4 and 5. You can see they're blue. The blue ones are the ones that you have identified as SEN or behaviour or any other code you want. So let's just pretend that we want to put Megan here. So we'll put Megan at the top here. You can see that Megan has gone red and the other Megan is there. You see that you can't have 2 Megans in the same place on the same seating arrangement, so you'd have to adjust that. So, and it also tells you that there's one child granted seat, and that person is Jaden. So let's move Jaden to where Megan was. So we move it down, drop down, and we find Jaden's at the top. There he is. There are Jaden goes white, Megan goes white, so the 2 have moved. When you've sorted that out, you can look at the dashboard. It tells you an overall view of where children are. It also tells you how many seats need to be seated. The children with SEN, that's automatically done for you. And then you can look at the arrangement, and this is just your printout if you want to print out to put anywhere. And the children's names are everywhere there. Thank you for listening.